Hi friends, welcome to videos on financial formula in Excel. So we are releasing few videos on financial formula, uh, giving a practical example how to use them in an effective way. So in this video we'll try to understand future value, which is FV formula. So what is a formula? What is the use of this formula is? It calculates the future value of an investment based on a constant rate of interest. So to understand this formula in a better way, in a practical way, I have laid down one example here. I'm going to deposit 100 rupees per month into a bank at the beginning of each period, which is currently here is month, and I'm doing it for 1 year, which is 12 months, with an annual rate of interest of 10%. So I'm using FV formula to arrive how much money I'm going to get at the end of 1 year. So this is the example. Let us go to formula here, Excel, so understand the formula. So when we open FV formula, we'll see certain parameters here, which is rate, N per, PMT, PV and type. So let us understand them individually. So rate is nothing but your rate of interest. N per is equal to number of periods. PMT is equal to the payment what you are going to make in the bank on a periodic basis. PV is actually present value. So this is not a mandatory field, hence you need not use this field. If you wanted to use it, you can create one present value and accordingly do it. In this case, there is no present value. So this is the overall formula now. So now let us use this formula and understand how it works. FV, the rate of interest is 10, but in this example we are making the payment on a monthly basis. So your rate of interest has to be broken down to 12 months so that it will be a monthly rate, comma, N per, which is 1 year, which is you can just put it here, but here again it's 1 year, so we need to convert this period into months, which is 12 months, comma, 100 rupees per month, this value. Why I am putting it is as a minus value, because this amount is given to the bank, so it's going out, so that's why I made it as minus 100. So now PV value is not there, so present value is nothing is there. I can either put 0 or I can just ignore and put a comma and then type. This type is actually a logical field. As we discussed in the example, I am going to make this payment at the beginning of each period. So if I wanted to make this payment at the beginning of the period, I need to put 1, and I am making this payment on the end of the period, I need to put 0. But in my case, I have to put 1. So this value is coming. Now, how to check this formula, whether this is throwing a right value and whether we have understood rightly. So here we have done a small calculation and we have arrived the same amount what we have here in the result of the formula. So what I am doing is I am actually paying 100 rupees every month. So I have converted the 10% to 12 portions. This total is coming to 10%, and each month I am beginning of the month. So from day 1 I supposed to get my interest. So what I did was I have calculated the 100 rupees into 1 plus my interest rate, so total value, so which will calculate and give me 100 rupees 83 paise. So now on 183 paise, again my interest will be calculated and I get from the earlier value to this value $202 rupees. So that way the calculation has happened, and finally I have arrived an amount of 1.267, which is 1,267 rupees, which I have got from the bank. I hope you understand this formula well. If any questions, you can shoot. Thank you.